Hey everyone, this is my very first how-to instructional video for my 2015 Ford F150 EcoBoost V6. I've been having a lot of trouble with squeaky and rattly noises coming from underneath the sunroof here, and I just wanted to do a quick little how-to video on correcting that noise, which is usually a grease problem. This truck is going on 11 years, almost 12 years old, and the seals around the sunroof tend to get very dry. So I'm gonna open up the sunroof and show y'all exactly what to do here to fix this problem. So open up the sunroof. There she is. Mine is very smooth and very not squeaky at the moment because I just finished greasing it, but I'm going to show you the rest of what to do here. So you open that up all the way, and as you can see, when that thing goes back, when the cover goes back once all the way back, then the sunroof goes all the way open. Now what you want to do here is look very carefully at these tracks. They go all the way around the top of the sunroof here, front and back, all the way around. You can see where all of those tracks are, and then if you look really closely, you can see where the little windscreen shade goes down, and you can see more tracks and more areas there where the sunroof itself makes contact with the frame of the car, the body of the car and the frame, and then the seals themselves that go around the glass. That on mine was, you can actually kind of tell a little bit still, it was pretty dry, and you can see where the rubber has started to crack and give away just because of how old it is and how it gets pummeled with heat. But you can see mine's really well greased now, and it should last for a little while, although I'm gonna check it in a couple of days just to make sure that it's holding the grease and is not making any more squeaking noises. I'll show you the grease that I decided to use was this Squeaky multi-purpose silicone grease. I bought it at the local auto parts store for I think like $6 or $8, I can't remember. It's also available on Amazon. And I want to show you one other part here. Now when you close the sunroof and it just does its little pop-up, which is good, you can also get underneath here and grease the heck out of that. This part here is very important. And then, oh, now it's out of focus, there we go. And then underneath the back, there's another rubber seal that you can get to, and that is very, very important because that is where the two pieces of glass come together. And the one in the very back behind the pop-up was also very dry. That glass doesn't move. If you really want to get crazy, you can unbolt it from these mounts. Sorry, it's a shaky camera. And you can take it off, but that's probably not necessary. And then lastly, that track right here is the track where the sunroof cover goes. And I would definitely hit that with a little bit of grease too on both sides, because it gets dry, and the cover, especially in the front half here, if it's old and dry, it starts to squeak when it closes. So keep that in mind when you're greasing it all up, and then close it all up and let it sit. Let the grease, settle for a while and get soaked in, and see what happens. Anyway, post any comments about similar experiences, and hope this solves your sunroof squeaking and creaking problem. Peace out.